Hey everyone, in this guide I'm going to show you how to fix the error when claiming the 6-7 emote in Clash Royale. This usually happens when the game says that you already own the emote, the QR code doesn't work, or the link has expired. Let's get started. Now, the reason you're seeing this error is because some of the original QR codes had a limited number of uses. So once they expired, they stopped working. But don't worry, there's an easy fix. Just completely close the Clash Royale and open your phone's camera app. Then here, scan the QR code or the updated QR code on the screen right now. This is an unlimited use QR code, so it won't expire. And once scanned, the Clash Royale will automatically open and show the reward screen. And tap claim and you should see the reward received 6-7. And that's it. The emote may be a bit silly, but it's actually pretty awesome. And it's cool to see the Supercell learning into a meme. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.